They find a Star Spangled Banner on like church bells or something over there. Do you guys hear that?
Yeah, I heard that. I was just thinking, like, what the hell?
Bells are coming from? They're coming from the carnival.
Ah, okay.
Right where people were at my auntie's house.
Makes sense.
Another steel one.
Is that thug wearing capris?
Super white.
He's wearing like Sean John capris.
Yeah.
You're putting M&Ms inside the popcorn.
Jeff, he's wearing some.
That was my advice. I told him to mix it up a little bit.
Jeff.
It's good.
He's wearing some Boss capris.
Yeah.
You like it, Lexi?
My brother takes all his pants and he cuts them to like right here. He's like a bigger guy. He's like, I just started with shorts to here or something. He's like, or above my knee. He's like, I'm too pasty and big to wear shorts. I couldn't wear. So he takes his pants and he cuts them to here and he's like, I'm like, oh, nice shorts. He's like, they're shants. They're not quite shorts. They're not quite pants. So he says he makes shants.
I won't even wear shorts as long as yours.
Adam likes the Daisy Dukes.
What? Is there something wrong about that?
I don't think you don't wear shorts, do you? Like I don't think I've ever seen you wear shorts.
Yes, I do wear shorts.
Oh, not you.
Oh, yes, I do wear shorts.
Talking about Adam.
She just punked you out.
Yeah, she sure did. After I gave you the great
Go,
snack,
ooh,
She just
ah.
This can't be over.
Oh, it's just getting started.
This almost looks like a finale compared to how it's been.
These are my favorite fireworks.
10:04.
Remember that party at Gianni's house on the 4th of July, like when we were in high school? Like it was like mayhem where everyone was like firing bottle rockets at each other and stuff like that. Like I remember I got hit in the head with one, and like it really hurt. Like it like cut up my head. Like and I was like all like super pissed off, like trying to fight whoever it was. Like I was like in rage, just like screaming at him.
What?
Then it was Joey Sanfratello, and he's like, yeah, it was me. And he's
Isn't
like,
that the
he's like 100. You know, he's like the biggest guy in the world. I was like, ah. It's like I wish I could like punch you, but I know you just whoop my ass.
Isn't that the party where B-Mac got slugged by Sean Conrad?
I think so. Yeah, maybe. It's definitely the same time period.
That's when Kimmy was dating Brian.
Yep.
So
Really?
It's right there.
Wow, yeah. That was before Brooks and her, right? Yeah, I can't remember. I don't remember them dating.
As soon as
Finale.
finale starts. So,
Who's that?
yeah, my sister and my brother-in-law. Because I'm going to go
I'll
back
have
to them
a blue
and grab my
one.
car.
And now she's gonna get some clothes for Lexi so she can go swimming. Can you open that for her, please? Making a video. Here, Lex.
You've been recording for like 10 minutes straight.
No, 5.
She's got a timer, get it right.
You planning on recording like the whole show?
No. Just a few of them.
Did you try this?
I did, it was very delicious.
Yeah. You guys got someone to thank for that genius idea, huh?
Thank you so much, Sean.
Those M&Ms and popcorn taste good, don't they, Lexi?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Why, you tried it before?
Nope.
Yeah.
Here, try it.
No, thank you.
Why?
Yeah, I've never been like the biggest fan. Like I like blowing them off. But
Like
not,
they get less
watching
cool
them.
every time. Fireworks are not cool anymore. They get less cool every time.
No way.
Like this, what is this? This
Stop being a
can't,
party pooper.
this can't compete with the Matrix and Lord of the Rings.